Everyone thinks creativity is some kind of magic trick, something you're either blessed with or not. But that's not the full story. In fact, creativity has a pattern, and once you spot it, you'll realize it's something you can learn and build. Here's the secret: most great ideas aren't original, they are remixed. Old concepts rearranged in fresh ways. Take Elon Musk, for example. He did not invent electric cars. He did not invent rockets. He did not invent online payments either. What he did was something smarter. He pushed existing ideas to new extremes. He blended electric cars with luxury, tech updates, and sleek design, and Tesla was born. He mixed startup hustle with aerospace and gave us SpaceX. Same ingredients, different recipe. That's innovation. Or think about Howard Schultz. He didn't invent coffee, he didn't invent cafes, but after a trip to Italy, he saw how coffee could be more than just a drink. It could be an experience. He took the Italian coffee house culture, community, comfort, conversation, and brought it to America in a new way. Result? Starbucks didn't just sell coffee, it sold a third place between work and home. Old idea, fresh context, massive impact. Even in fiction, look at J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter wasn't built from scratch. Rowling drew inspiration from myths, folklore, and classic boarding school tales. Wands, flying brooms, spells, none of that was new. But the way she stitched them together, pure magic. So instead of asking, how do I invent something no one's ever seen before, a better question is, how do I remix that's already out there and make it unforgettable? Here's a simple 3-step playbook. Step 1, soak up everything. Read books, watch films, study businesses, dive into history, science, art, memes, whatever sparks curiosity. The broader your inputs, the richer your creative material. Jobs took a calligraphy class, and that led to beautiful Mac fonts. The idea here is to stay endlessly curious. Step 2. Capture every tiny idea. Carry a notebook, start a messy notes app file, scribble random thoughts. No idea is too small. Netflix, born because Reed Hastings got slapped with a late fee at Blockbuster. A tiny frustration turned into a billion-dollar industry shift. Treasure the small stuff. That's where breakthroughs hide. Step 3. Combine the unlikely. Ask weird questions like, what if I use this idea over there? That's how Netflix applied subscription models to movies. That's how Kanye West fused hip-hop, orchestral music, and fashion and created a global brand. The magic happens where worlds collide. Here's the good news. You don't need a lightning bolt moment. You just need to keep stacking ideas, making connections, and exploring mashups. Try this today. Pick an industry you love, pick another totally unrelated one, then ask yourself, what if I merge these two? Fashion plus fitness, athleisure. Finance plus entertainment, Robinhood. Fast food plus data science, McDonald's. The tech powerhouse you didn't see coming. You don't need natural talent, you need curiosity, you need habits, and you need a system that lets you remix brilliance again and again. Next time you feel stuck or unoriginal, remember, the legends didn't create from a blank space. They borrowed, connected, remixed, and added their own twist. Creativity isn't a mystery, it's a skill, and it's yours for the taking. Start mixing.